What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. Today video is going to be an interesting one as I am going to unbox one of the budget devices which Xiaomi has launched a few months ago, and we will see whether this device is worth of buying or not. Well, I am excited about this device and I am sure you guys are also excited. So before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so you can get latest tech news and unboxing of your favorite devices. Let's jump into the video, and the first thing we see a Redmi 7 box, and on the front of the box we have a Xiaomi logo on the top right side and Redmi 7 written on downside. Moving on the side, as I am using global version of Redmi 7 as it's mentioned on the side of the phone. Now let's move on the back side, and we have main highlights of the device specification which are coming inside the device. First, we have a 6.26-inch HD Plus resolution screen, and along with that we have an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor. While the main highlight for Redmi 7 is its battery capacity, which is 4000 mAh and can last for a whole day. Alongside with that, we have two cameras mounted on the back, which detail I will give you later in the video, so keep watching till the end. Redmi 7 comes in two variants and three different colors. The colors which Redmi 7 come in is Comet Blue, Lunar Red and Eclipse Black. The base variant has a 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, while the variant which I am unboxing today has an Eclipse Black color with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. So without any delay, let's remove the plastic first from the box. Let's look what inside. So here we open the box, and the first thing we have seen a box. Let's open the box and see what's inside it. Inside the box we have some paperwork from Xiaomi, and I believe these are not important. Let's put aside this thing. These are just the quick start guide. Along with paperwork, Xiaomi has also provided a case, and it's a standard TPU cover and it's in black color, which is nice from Xiaomi. Let's put aside this and move towards the box and see what we have more inside it. While we have the device itself, let's take it out, and first it has a sticker where we see some important specification on its top, and these are similar to the one written on the back side of the box. Let's put down the phone for a moment and see which accessories are coming with the box. Well, we have a standard phone charger and its charging speed is just 5 volts, and it has a standard USB port. Now moving on, we have a USB to micro USB cable coming inside the box. You may be thinking that there are no headphone jacks available inside the box. Well, we already know that Xiaomi don't provide headphones with the box. Moving toward the device, and if we look at the device, it looks awesome. Now let's remove the cover and look front of the device. We have a 6.26 HD Plus resolution screen with the camera on the top center, and we have water drop notch on the top middle of the device. On the top side, we have a noise cancellation, a 3.5mm headphone jack and an IR blaster. On the left side, we only have a SIM tray, while on the right side, we have a power button and a volume rocker button. On the bottom side, we have two speakers and a standard micro USB port for charging and data transfer. Moving on the back side, let's first remove the cover and place it on the side, and let's remove the other cover. Let this remain there. Well, we have a polycarbonate back side. It doesn't look like a cheap body, so it's nice. So we have a fingerprint scanner in the middle, while on the top left side we have two cameras placed vertically. One is a 12 megapixel standard camera, while the other one is a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera for a nice bokeh. So let's turn on the device and set it up real quickly. Now I set it up and it's look decent, and colors because of HD resolution, SD Plus resolution looks decent. Now let's look which software Redmi 7 is running on, and inside it's running MIUI 10.1.1, which is based on Android 9 Pie. Redmi 7 has a fingerprint scanner as well as face unlock built in. So I will set it up and check whether both of them are fast or not. Now I have set the fingerprint scanner as well as the face unlock. Now let's test it one by one. Firstly, fingerprint scanner. While I have placed my finger on the back side of the fingerprint scanner, and it unlocked the phone very easily and fast. Well, I have tried it more than once and it's performing decently. Well, in such price, it's a good one, and its speed to unlock is accurate and fast. Moving on to face scanner, let's give it a try and see how it performs. Well, I have placed my face in front of the face scanner and it unlock the phone very fast. I have tried it a few times and face unlock performance is better than the fingerprint scanner. One thing I have noticed that if we close our eyes, then the face unlock will not unlock the phone. So that's a plus point for the face scanner in Redmi 7. Now let's look at the camera performance of Redmi 7. Well, we have a different modes like short video, portrait mode, video mode and AI mode inside the camera. I have taken some samples. You can check the result of the RAID camera shooting video. And one thing I have noticed while watching this video, we don't have an image stabilization inside Redmi 7 and also the speed of taking photo is slow. If we look at Redmi 7 price, well, it's around $120 in US. So overall, it's a decent device in such a price range, and certainly we have phone which can perform all tasks. It's not fast as a mid-range and a flagship phone. When compare it with a Samsung and Huawei, it can perform tasks quite easily. So that's all from the Redmi 7 unboxing video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.